Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 6 trades. And today's date is February the 13th, and I'm using my brand new Magic Scalper trading system. This one has the Fibonacci candles on the top, and I also have the super signal indicator. That's the arrows here. You'll get a pop-up box like you see right here suggesting to buy or sell, plus an audio alert. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer right where this vertical line is. That's New York time. And also right at 8:30 this morning there is some high impact news. That's why you see one big candle here, so you have to be aware of the news. But my system is telling me, along with the daily trade plan, it's going to go up, but you always have to keep an eye for this kind of price action when there's high impact news. Here is the news I'm talking about. February the 13th at 8:30 a.m. It's the core CPI. It'll move many different instruments, including the futures, the indexes, so just have to be aware that you could get that kind of spiking up and down. So like I said, at 6 o'clock New York time, I'm in front of the computer looking at a bunch of instruments, and I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. And if everything is looking one direction or the other, I will manually put in this white arrow. So here's my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time. It's analyzing all the higher time frames from the 30 minutes all the way up to the monthly. And it does some calculations, and eventually in the comments here it'll say either look for bearish trades, bullish trades. Some will be preferred, and some might even say not enough strength. If you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are struggling. If you have any questions or you're interested in buying this, well, if you look right below this video in the description, you will get my contact information. So let's take a look at these trades. First one was the Euro Yen. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in first of all. So just had to wait for a slight pullback. There's your blue candle. Everything indicating down at the bottom it's going to go up, including the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade, so easy decision to make. Get in to trade at this cursor, and I closed it out here just being happy. Looks like with about 16 pips, and those pips paid out $106. Moving along to the next trade, you'll notice that the Forex, it pays less and it moves less as opposed to the futures and the indexes, which will move a lot more and pay a lot more, as you can clearly see. One standard lot Forex, one standard lot for the futures. So easy decision to make if you want to make more money. Well, now you know what to trade. Let's see now, pound yen. This one I also wanted to be buying it. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at first of all. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Blue arrow away from back here. Had to wait for a bit of a pullback. Same situation. The news came out on this candle at 8:30. As you can see, down at the bottom it says 8:30. So took the trade at this cursor. I wasn't too worried about this spiking action, as I knew after the news it was just going to continue working its way up. I ended up locking in 25 pips, and those pips paid out $166. Okay, moving on to next trade, Euro Aussie, another one that I was buying. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Same situation, after a bit of a pullback, qualified for a great way to trade. And it could have easily went right from this arrow straight up, but that's the way the market moves, a little up, little down, a little up, and eventually it'll take off. And it was because of the high impact news right here. So I knew prior to the news, along with my daily trade plan telling me it's going to go up. Trading is easy, it's a lot of fun once you learn the secrets how to trade the markets successfully. Let's see where I got in at this cursor, and I closed it out here. Looks like locking in 32 pips, and those pips paid out $213. Okay, moving on to the next trade, Pound New Zealand. Another one I wanted to be buying. So let's see where I got in at first of all. There was your pullback, everything looking good. Daily trade plan, everything telling me it's going to go up. There's your high impact news. And then that's why it went up. It was news driven, and that ended up locking in 48 pips. And all those pips paid out $296. Have a couple of minutes. I want to show you a great tool. And this tool, you'll love it if you love trading Fibonacci. I call it the Fib Master tool. Comes complete with 30 training videos. All you got to do is click on this link right here where it says F. For Fibonacci, you're just going to go from swing low right here. That's a swing low point. You're going to go to the top right here. And here's your pullback. It hit entry 2. And as a general rule, if it hits 1, 2, or 3, it will hit either 2, 3, and by the way, it's really early, like it's, many hours of trading still. It can easily keep working its way up. And there's actually included 10 different targets. So this can easily keep going higher up. So like the daily trade plan, if you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me and I can answer your questions. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. This one here, let's first off see where I got in at. This one pays $5 for each tick, so took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it's 495, and that puts me well above my daily quota on just one trade alone for 200 pips or ticks a day. So following the rules within the Magic Scalper trading system, everything was telling me it's going to go down. In other words, sell. So I sold it at that point. I closed it out here just being happy. And there it is right there. Remove the last digit. That's 495 ticks, paying out $2,475. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 20. Calculator says it should be 190 ticks. So let's go drag this up. According to my rules within the trading system, everything looking great, including qualifying for a great way to trade. I knew it was going to go down. Got the arrow right there, daily trade plan, everything screaming to sell. So I sold it at this cursor, and let's see if I can find that 190. There it is right there. You remove the last 2 digits. Those 190 ticks paid out $3,814. So remember, trading is very difficult if you don't already know that. It's more difficult actually than to become a doctor or lawyer, which means you're going to need a lot of education to succeed. If you don't get enough education and then do the homework, well, you will fail. It's as simple as that. So let's see now. Another great day of trading using my magic scalper. I added up all the pips and the ticks. I definitely knew it was going to be well over 200. Today was 806 pips and ticks, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $7,071. So that's the way trading goes. If you have any questions, you want to buy anything at all, quite simple. All you got to do is look right below this video. You'll see a banner, the word more. All you got to do is click on it, open up another window. You'll get my contact information and a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I do answer, unless I'm busy, of course. Or you can send me an email. Now I really do prefer Skype. I made a link there, easy for you. If you have a computer, or even just a cell phone, all you got to do is click on the link. We'll have a Skype connection. And through Skype, I'll be able to answer your questions. Also in the description, you'll find 4 different packages. And as I mentioned before, you're going to need a lot of education, so I recommend you getting at least 3. And of course, I do have a special offer that if you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you 1 of the other 2 for free. So, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video and this day of trading. So until the next trading day and video, want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.